Hey, I guess I'm recording now on the iPad. In order to get this, I went and swiped down from the upper right-hand corner, and it opened up what is known as a control menu. But when I pressed on the screen recording button and held it, it opened up this dialog box. And by default, the microphone is off. So if you want to record or narrate your program, you need to turn the microphone on. And let me show you what that looks like and how I arrived at this screen. Okay, so here it is. I swiped from the upper right-hand corner to get the control menu. But if you don't see the record button, you need to get it. And in order to do that, what you would do is go to Settings, and then scroll down and go to the Control Center. And once in the Control Center, you'll choose Customize Controls. And you can see that I already have included screen recording. It's not there by default. I had to add it. So I went down to More Controls and added with the plus sign. So I can go ahead and add one like QR code reader, and now I have the QR code reader up on what's known as the control menu. So I'm going to swipe through and swipe from the upper left corner, and you can see the record button. When you're done, you can stop recording. But in case you need to edit the video, I think in self-service you're also going to find something called iMovie, and you can take your recorded movie into iMovie and create a project with it. So somewhere on my YouTube channel you'll see instructions how to use iMovie, but it's really pretty simple. Basically, you hit plus, a movie, choose video, and grab the video that you recently recorded. So you can see a couple of recordings that I've had. Okay, and here's my father-in-law. For example, I can just click check and create movie, and I have my father-in-law in the movie. Over here I can narrate it, so you might not want to leave the microphone on by choosing the microphone, and it's ready to record, and I'm just going to cancel that before it records. And I can move along the timeline, and I can take my recording a little bit in iMovie, and let me get to the front by clicking on the front thing, and as I click on it, I can go ahead and shorten it or lengthen it by dragging on the yellow. I can put a title in or do other actions so that I can make a pretty good video using iMovie just by recording my screen and choosing the microphone and narrating. Well, anyways, that's how to do a screen recording of your program in action. That would be perhaps a Scratch program or a Python program. And how to take it into iMovie, which you could, if you don't have, install using self-service and to edit it. iMovie's pretty simple. You can look around on the YouTube on how to use it. It wouldn't take much at all. You can see now in the upper right-hand corner, the fact is that I'm recording. I'm going to hit this button in a second right in the upper right-hand corner and stop recording. This has been me, no one else, showing you how to record your screen using an iPad and to edit it perhaps using iMovie.